going on, guys? I'm Suburban Angling and I am back out here doing some more river fishing for you guys. Sorry for the noise. I'm actually under a highway bridge right now. I'm out here with my boy Dom. He's tying up a little inline spinner and we're out here, and I'm not gonna lie, we're slaying them. You know, I wanted to come to the river and make sure we were gonna catch them before I did all the fancy B-roll intro, all that stuff, you know, but I can assure you guys, we're out here, we're catching fish, multi-species, big ones, all that. So nothing much else to say. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's get it. A few, so I would just start casting because it's gonna keep dropping off, and then to the right you see how it just starts to eddy out, and it's like that big deep pool, limestone flat over there. Here, Dom, make casts like this. Oh, you got a bit. It'll be everywhere, but trust me, this is like how the current's coming like this, right on the edge of that shit. Oh. LOL, we got him. First fish on video for me, folks. Look at him. There's a guy over there fishing with half a rod, guys, and he's got a tanker on. Throw that smallie back.
You gotta watch me reel long way in. Here we go, release.
Release! Yeah, they're in these shallows right now. Of course, I got hit right on my feet and he ripped the thing off the hook. Oh, there we go. Walleye. No, nice smallie.
Yeah, that's a big one. Or double. Double.
I thought it was a walleye because it was like longer. Look at him fight, folks. Oh my God, the current is so much stronger here. You have to like angle how you're gonna grab them. Ooh. Grab them. Look at that double. Look at that double right there, folks. Look at that. Look at that.
That is a ecology.
Out there on the river, early morning. That's why you wake up at 4 a.m. Get out here, get on a good bite. All right, let's release that. A little 1.5 pound smallie. Get him in the, back in his home.
It would have stayed like 76 pounds.
Oh. 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 He's right here. He's literally right here. Look, he came back. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Gotta love those smallmouth bass. Aggressive and stupid. Oh.
Big.
Yep, that looked big when he. Yep, I saw it. Nice walleye. I saw the hit. It's probably over limit. It's over the size limit. Oh, he smoked it. Wait.
Choked it. Look at that.
He might not even be over the size limit, actually. Walleye. Walleye. Big walleye. Big walleye. Here, you gotta just... Big walleye. Okay, we're not screwing around no more with this guy. Let's take him to the shore and string him up. Dom, net your fish. Boom. I'm telling you, dude. Yes. All right, folks. Third walleye of the day. Dom is on him on the paddle tail, so I'll probably switch back later, or I'll go to the sniper goby, whatever.
Third 18.
Yeah, third nice walleye that he's caught. We lost 2 on the freaking stringer. This one is not getting off.
I saw a lot more darker marks it looked like, so I thought it was a sauger or whatever.
It could be possible, but it's a walleye though. White tip. Oh, little guy's hitting this. All right, we should. Oh my God.
Got him? Yeah, let's go.
Look at that, folks. He got the walleye in there, and then I got the Ooey Johnson.
Walleye and the smallmouth.
All right, let's release this fish, get his walleye on a stringer. And yeah, we're having fun. We're enjoying ourselves. That's why we come out here. Boom.
He choked it for a minute.
Walleye. It's a walleye. He's not pulling dragon. It's just straight head shakes. Another walleye. Another walleye. Big walleye. That's over the limit for sure. It's like a mid-20 walleye.
Ooh.
That's a big walleye, dude. I am. I'm reeling right now. I just had 3 following it.
Oh yeah, it's like a 23 or 20 at least. At least.
It's over 20.
He's thick. He swallowed it too.
And I'm recording.
Ooh.
That's a big walleye. No, 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 no.
Oh, all right, come on. Yeah, Billy.
That's a thick
walleye killer today, G.
That's a thick body walleye.
Oh, snap. That's a walleye.
Hell yeah, folks. Look at that. Here, lift the net up a little bit. Gee, come on.
Oh, yeah.
Walleye.
It's about a 20.
It's not even straightened out, bro.
It's almost a 22.
Put him right under the thing.
Yeah, we'll call it
and he's not
21 and a half. That's nice.
We took some pictures of this gorgeous
nice
walleye.
22 incher on the paddle tail. Let's get a good release here. Stringer today.
We do, G.
318s and a 22. Like, come on. Healthy too. These
Healthy.
ain't no beat up ones.
No, they're good walleyes.
Damn. I had to loosen that drag. He was fighting me hard.
Oh, I'm.
Not a big one. Oh, dude, that's something nice.
It's a walleye. Get him! Get him! It's a walleye. Get him! It's a keeper. Burn him in. Get him! Get him!
Bernie Mac,
let's go!
That's a keeper. Let's go. We found the hole.
See, if we were here earlier in the morning, he thumped it hard.
He found the hole.
Unhook him. All right, that's yeah.
He's pissed. That's a good 16.
Yep.
We can call that one if we get a 17 and a half.
Yep, dude, he smoked the tickler. It was like a hard.
Your rod folded. Dude.
Yeah.
Folded.
Stand here for about 5 minutes, just make a fan cast. You never knew. You never knew. Yep. It gets so you can like walk that whole shoreline down. Walleye.
Yeah?
Yep. Oh no, nice smallie. Nice smallie.
Oh, this is a 3.5. Maybe a 4.
Oh my god!
That's what we were looking for. What we were looking for.
That's a 3.
Let's go. Let's go, yeah.
That's a 3. That's a 3.
Can't see him.
Oh.
Oh, his head big, dude. I don't know. He's big.
Big coal.
Oh my god, dude.
They dig hard.
Tickler.
They dig hard in here.
The tickler.
They dig so hard. They dig. He's not stopping, folks. I'm literally trying to stop this fish. Like, he does not want to give up.
Yo, walking towards me, dude. I can't go any deeper.
Alright, wait. I got right here. Yup, that's
Let's go. That's thick. That's a 3. G, nice.
That's a thick body. Let's
go.
We're having a good time out here, folks.
Look at that.
We're having a good time out here. Yup, dude, look at his guts.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Thick
Okay.
like a brick, son.
Dude, oh my god. Look how far I could just, like, look how I just zing that all the way back there. I love this fucking GLG. Zings that bitch.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Nick. Look at that.
Mega G.
What it is.
Big
What
walleye.
it is.
Big smallie. It's moving around like a nice smallie. Inline spinner.
That's it too.
Inline spinner. I'll go towards him a little bit. Get his ass. Oh, okay. Chill out. Don't do that. Okay. He said fuck. He said f***ing that. He said f***ing that, G.
Oh.
Show him off. Boom. A little thick body smallmouth, and he's gone.
That's sick, dude. Just smash that. This might be the bait I should have been using, G.
If you really wanted to double park like on some demon shit next time, we could just start where we started and then end here.
Big.
Oh, okay. Turn up on them.
Oh yeah, that's a little 2.5 or 2.
Oh, that's a shit. That's like, that's a good one. All right, he wants to come over here. He's mean. His shit bigger than a 2. I'm on 2 behind me. I'm recording this too. Oh my god, he's so mean! He's so mean!
Get out of that rock.
Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. Chill. Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy.
Oh my god!
he just sweat. Oh, bro, why? Why would you do that? He's so angry.
Oh my god, dude.
What a break.
Tell me why I'm more out from a creek smallie, dude. Oh my god.
And then, folks, can't forget the one that bit while I was trying to net his fish. We're having fun out here on the river. I'm gonna release the little one.
Get a pic of this guy.
Look. Bet. Get some screenshots of that buddy right there. Yep. He got one. Alright, boys. That's gonna do it from my boy Dom. Right there. Yes, sir. And that's gonna do it for me today. Second attempt at recording this outro, mainly because we can't even stay off the fish. My buddy over here is casting, literally setting the hook while I'm talking to you guys. But that's the kind of action we've been getting on today. And I really hope you guys enjoyed that, because I know I did. Well needed day for my mental health. Not that I haven't been fishing lately, not that I haven't been catching fish lately, but it was just a good vibe today. Like I said, much needed. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, as always, I enjoyed filming it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.